How to find a boyfriend for gay men. A simple guide. Finding a boyfriend can be a wonderful journey. It is about meeting someone who makes you happy and feels like a good match. Here is a guide to help you find a boyfriend if you are gay. This guide uses easy words to make it simple to understand. If you're ready, here we go. Know yourself. Before you start looking for a boyfriend, it is important to know yourself. This means understanding what you like, what you don't like, and what you want in a boyfriend. Take some time to think about these things. It can help to write them down. Be confident. Confidence is attractive. It shows that you believe in yourself and that you are comfortable with who you are. Try to do things that make you feel good about yourself. This can be anything from working out, dressing nicely, or spending time with friends who make you feel happy. Use dating apps. Dating apps are a popular way to meet new people. Some apps are made just for gay men. Here are a few. Grindr. This app is very popular among gay men. You can chat with people who are near you. Scruff. This app is similar to Grindr but has more options to chatting and meeting people. Tinder. This app is for everyone, but you can set your preferences to meet other gay men. When using these apps, be honest about yourself and what are you looking for. It helps to have a clear picture and a friendly description of yourself. Join gay social groups. Joining gay social groups can help you meet new people. These groups can be found in your local area or online. Here are some ideas. LGBTQ+ community centers. Many cities have centers where LGBTQ+ people can meet and join activities. Gay sports teams. Some cities have sport teams just for gay people. This is a fun way to meet others and stay active. Online groups. Websites like Facebook have groups for gay men to chat and meet. Go to gay bars and clubs. Gay bars and clubs are places where you can meet other gay men. These places often have a friendly and open atmosphere. You can go there to dance, have a drink, or just chat with people. It is a good idea to go with friends if you're nervous. Be open and honest. When you meet someone you like, be open and honest. Talk about what you are looking for in a relationship. It's important to be clear about your feelings and to listen to the other person's feelings too. Take it slow. Don't rush into a relationship. Take your time to go to know the person. Go on dates. Talk a lot. And see how you feel about each other. It's okay to make it slow and to make sure that you are both happy. Stay safe. Safety is very important when meeting new people. Here are some tips to stay safe. Meet in public places. For the first few dates, meet in public places like cafes or parks. Tell a friend. Let a friend know where you are going and who you are meeting. Trust your feelings. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to leave or say no. Be patient. Finding the right person can take time. Be patient and don't give up. It's okay if it doesn't happen right away. Keep meeting new people and enjoying the process. Be kind and respectful. Kindness and respect are very important in any relationship. Treat the other person the way you want to be treated. Listen to them, support them, and be there for them. Focus on friendship first. Sometimes the best relationships start as friendships. Focus on building a strong friendship first. This can help you understand each other better and build a strong bond. Enjoy the journey. Finding a boyfriend is a journey. Enjoy meeting new people and having new experiences. Each person you meet can teach you something new. Learn from each experience. Each date or person you meet is a chance to learn more about yourself and what you want in boyfriend. Take these lessons with you as you continue your search. Join LGBTQ+ events. Many cities have LGBTQ+ events like Pride Parades, festivals, and gatherings. These events are great places to meet new people and have fun. You can also find out about these events online. Don't be afraid to make the first move. Sometimes, you might need to make the first move. If you see someone you like, don't be afraid to say hello and start a conversation. It can be as simple as asking about their day or complimenting something they are wearing. Use social media. Social media can also help you meet new people. You can join LGBTQ+ groups on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. These groups often have discussions and events where you can meet new people. Volunteer. Volunteering for LGBTQ+ organizations or events is another way to meet people who share your interests and values. It also gives you the chance to give back to the community. Be yourself. The most important thing is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you are not just to impress someone. The right person will like you for who you are. Communicate clearly. Good communication is key to any relationship. Make sure to talk openly and honestly with the person you are dating. Share your thoughts and listen to theirs. Have fun. Dating should be fun. Enjoy the process of meeting new people and discovering new things about yourself. Don't settle. Don't settle for someone just because you want to be in a relationship. Wait for someone who makes you truly happy and who is a good match for you. Keep an open mind. Sometimes, the right person might not be exactly who you imagine it. Keep an open mind and to be willing to give different people a chance. Support each other. In a relationship, it is important to support each other. Be there for your boyfriend and help him through tough times. He should be the same for you. Be ready to compromise. Relationships often require compromise. Be ready to meet in the middle and find solutions that work for both of you. Enjoy your independence. While it is great to have a boyfriend, it's also important to enjoy your own independence. Keep doing the things you love and spend time with your friends and family. Keep growing. A good relationship helps both people grow. Keep working on yourself and encouraging your boyfriend to do the same. Celebrate each other. Celebrate each other's successes and be there each other's failures. This builds a strong and loving relationship. Stay positive. A positive attitude can make a big difference. Stay hopeful and enjoy the journey of finding a boyfriend. Learn from others. Talk to other gay men about their experiences. They might have good advice or stories that can help you. Trust yourself. Trust your feelings and the instincts. You know what is best for you. Finding a boyfriend as a gay man is a journey full of new experiences and learning opportunities. Remember to be yourself, stay positive, and enjoy the process. The right person will come along when the time is right. Keep an open heart and a mind, and have fun along the way.